Of these health concerns, we hope that you find yourself and your dear ones in the comfort of your home. The Delton has been host to some of your most cherished memories, be it the lifetime event of the weddings or the loved ones or your colleagues. We've always been that extra special getaway with your families. We've been your preferred destination to celebrate the joys of being together. We must now stand together once again to fight off this COVID-19 pandemic and in the safety of your home. We at the Delton are leaving no stone unturned to ensure all our guests, team members, vendors, and those associated with us from the travel fraternity are in all manner protected and taken care of. We are strictly adhering to the directives and the protocols issued by the government and the most competitive medical authorities available to us. We thank all our guests who've trusted us and made advanced reservations with us for future events, celebrations, and stays. Please be assured that we will be glad to help reschedule if there is any booking that you want to be rescheduled. And we will make sure that all your special occasions, though delayed, but will be extra special when we start again. We applaud the efforts of the medical community and those providing us with essential services. The sacrifice and commitment is immeasurable, and we can only express our gratitude to them by being safe as a community. Your good health is of utmost concern to us, and our gates will reopen to you soon in a very cheerful world. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that amazing message, sir. So I would just like to take you through the flow for everybody who's just joined us late today. We will be going through the PPT presentation and the video of Delton Daman, wherein Mr. Akash Mathur will be describing the amazing features of this great hotel. After that, we will be taking everyone through a poll that we do always, against which we are giving away complimentary nights to people who give the correct answers. And then, as we have been doing since the last 2 days, we will be doing a live bidding for 2 nights of the Delton Daman, and the details of that will be given to you when we come to that segment. So, Akashji, please continue and take us through the hotel, please.
Rishabh, would you want to start with the presentation of the hotel, the video?
Should I start the video now?
Yes, let's do that. Let's introduce everybody to the hotel first, and then we'll take it up from there.
Okay, I'll just start the video. Sir. Give me 1 second. So can everyone see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So that was an amazing short video of the Delton Daman. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Rishabh. I'll start with a quick presentation about the hotel. Everyone can park their questions, whatever they have, and we'll take it up a little later in the during the webinar. So, a quick brief about the company. Delton Hotels is owned by a parent company, Delta Corp, which is the fastest growing Indian company operating primarily in two business segments, that is gaming and hospitality. It is the largest and the only listed company in this space. Delta Corp entered gaming and hospitality segment in 2008 with a view to provide an international gaming experience and hospitality experience in India. Overview of the hotel, we have 176 rooms and suites, and it's a perfect getaway for vacationers and ideal for weekend and even for an extended stay. So for those who are not very clear about the location of the hotel, we are located in Daman, which is about 3 hours drive from Mumbai and 2 hours from Surat. So it's a perfect destination for you to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city without having to worry about a flight booking or pre-planning a vacation. It's an impulse vacation. You want to do it Friday evening, Saturday or Thursday evening, you decide, or Friday morning, you just take your car and drive, and we'll take care of your perfect experience at the hotel. We also have 3 gourmet restaurants, 2 bars, high-end retail stores, all natural spa treatments, and a unique poolside bar with live music for an amazing destination for large and small groups. Our brand service standards, which is what drives us and which is what is a guideline for us to ensure that we always deliver the highest standards. Our principal operating belief is that we create delightful experiences and unforgettable memories for all our customers. So now we have, as an organization, we keep our standards very fluid. We are not very rigid. So that's why it is a very short crisp that creating delightful experiences and unforgettable memories are, all our team members are empowered to go much beyond our brand standards to deliver what is required by the guest. We are 176 rooms. So this is the view of our rooms. So as you see, pretty spacious and international standard rooms. All rooms come with all the rooms have shower cubicles, bathtubs. Few rooms have balconies that look out to a beautiful and stunning view. This is a breakup of our room categories. We have superior rooms, which are 44 square meters. They have an option of both king and queen. Now, when I say queen bed, we have a unique point where our queen beds are not those small beds where only a single person can fit in. These are family size beds, two family size beds. So 2 adults and 2 children can stay in a queen room. So it's ideal for a family. You don't have to take 2 rooms. You can be comfortable in just a single room with 2 adults and two children. No worry about, no hustle about the roll away bed and that cramping up the room. All that doesn't happen. So it's very comfortable queen rooms. We have 75 deluxe rooms. Difference between superior and deluxe is primarily deluxe rooms face out to the pool and superior rooms have a stunning view of the city. We have 2 superior suites, which are at 81 square meter, 10 deluxe suites, which are 81 square meter. Then we have 3 very special suites. They're called the Grand Duke, which is 133 square meters, has a private swimming pool. Grand Sinatra, it has 2 bedrooms, living space, and again a private swimming pool. And the Presidential Suite, which is a Pride, it has 2 large bedrooms, one with a queen bed, one with the king bed, and it has a private swimming pool. So it's a wonderful experience, these 3 suites. You have the comfort you can take 1 room and stay with the family. It's a perfect setup. Our concepts, we pride ourselves on our food and beverage. That's always a unique selling point. Rooms can be copied everywhere, but it is the food and beverage that always takes the cake. Vegas is called our all-day dining restaurant. It's called the Vegas. It offers an electric journey of favors that span the world, a series of a la carte menus, buffets, live cooking stations, serves all 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Additionally, an outdoor bar and fresco dining, a smoking area complement the facilities with close access to the swimming pool. The buffet breakfast is served from 600 hours to 10:30 hours. All day dining, that is a lunch buffet, is from 12 noon till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Dinner buffet is from 7 p.m. till midnight, and a la carte menu that's from 12 noon till the next day morning, 6 o'clock. So, it's a perfect setup where you don't have to worry about the timings. We are there for you at all times. We understand that vacation are meant to be lazy, so you don't have to abide by any timings. Just pick up the time that you want to come and dine, and we'll be there for you at the restaurant. Sunday brunch is it's an amazing weekend Sunday brunch. It's from 1100 hours to 1500 hours. This spans a global cuisine. And midnight suppers for, when you're on vacation, you want to be awake late night, have some games with the family. So there's a special midnight supper that's from midnight till 4 o'clock in the morning. The size of the restaurant, Vegas, is about 8,617 square feet, a total of 9,947 square feet, has a seating capacity of 225 in the restaurant and 48 people outdoors. Pricing point, just for indication, so that, when to all our travel partners, any guests asks, a buffet breakfast is at 600 rupees. Normally, it's included in the breakfast package. Lunch buffet is at 900 rupees, and dinner buffet is from 1100 rupees. So at a very, very reasonable price, you have an amazing experience. These are some pictures from the Vegas restaurant. Now, Whiskies, as obviously the name suggests, this is our bar. It's an elegant meeting space. It's perfect. It's an open space while being indoors. It has wall-to-ceiling glasses that look out to the green view. So it's perfect for you to, even in the afternoon or in the evening, you want to chill out, or even if you want to have a one-on-one business meet, then you can do this in the stylish, contemporary, and modern drinking hall. It offers a library selection of fine spirits, liquors, a martini flight, special cocktails that's crafted by our barmen. We have tea and coffee cocktails from 7 in the morning till 1 in the night. There's a breakfast option also, a la carte breakfast option, all-day dining place, and a special chai time for all our chai enthusiasts. We have a stunning range of all the chais and snacks to complement it. Whiskies has a seating capacity of 62 people indoors and 8 people outdoors. It plays piped music throughout the evening, and on occasions there is also a pianist to entertain you at Whiskies. Rate positioning is chai time is at 500 rupees. Average cocktail is priced at about 350 rupees. We also have a lot of promotional offers that come, buy one get one or buy two get one, or special evening cocktail hours. A beer is priced at about 200 bucks, and average appetizer is for 450 rupees. Emperor, this is a pride and joy. It's a specialty East Asian restaurant that covers styles of cuisine, different styles of cuisine, from dim sums from Hong Kong, cuisines of international environment from Asia. So when I say Asia, it covers the complete journey from the Chinese cuisine to Korean to Vietnamese pho. You find amazing an array of food items from all across Asia, specially made by our chefs. And in fact, we even have a special chef who's dedicated just for making dim sums. So for nothing else, you should try this restaurant for the dim sums that it has. It's open for lunch and dinner. Lunch is 1200 hours to 3 p.m. and dinner is from 7 p.m. to midnight. It's a 3,033 square feet restaurant with a seating capacity of 92. It's classic Oriental, Chinese and Thai music that's played in the restaurant. Average appetizer is priced at about 450 rupees. And average dim sum is 500 rupees. Main course is average about 750 and average dessert is about 250 rupees. So at a very, very non-high 5-star prices, you get an experience that is extremely authentic and an extremely appealing menu. What you see in the center here, that's our Emperor restaurant. That's a shot of the restaurant. It has an amazing semi-enclosed, semi-private seating that everybody will enjoy. The poolside bar, when you're on a vacation, you don't really need to be in the hotel inside a restaurant at all times. You want to be lazy by the pool. You want to enjoy the breeze and dipping your legs in the pool and sipping a beautiful martini. So that's a pool bar for you. This poolside bar and grill serves both the casual lounger to the gastronomist within. A med-spiced a la carte menu with classic Italian to Middle Eastern mezes while celebrating the favors of the wood-fired oven and grill. Light lunches by the pool or those cocktails by the pool, that's all available. It's open from 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening. There's an evening barbecue from 7 p.m. till midnight. That is worth worth your time in the evening. It's a 3,471 square feet bar with a seating capacity of 10 and bar stools 10. It's also open for events. Music is upbeat Ibiza chill house music. Rate positioning, average cocktail is about 350. Kingfisher beer, I take Kingfisher beer as an example because that's one of the cheapest beers, and that will give you an idea of the price that we are at. Beers are start from about $200. Average appetizer is for 450. Pastas and other items would be at about 550. Mains at 750, and average dessert is about 250. These are some of the offerings at the pool bar. Now, private dining, when you're on a vacation and you want to celebrate a special occasion, an anniversary or a birthday with your loved ones, it's these private dinings that always take the show. So, the private dining option, you get in touch with our host, and they'll create a special ambience for you. You choose a venue inside the hotel. There's no fixed venue. There are multiple venues across the hotel. So a host will take you for a walk around the hotel. You can select आपको कौन सा location पसंद है, और उस location पे आपके लिए specially a table for 2, 3, 4 whatever you want can be set up for you. वहाँ पे आपकी मर्जी का menu, आपकी मर्जी का location, your choice of music, and everything is completely customized to your requirement. So this is an event that, like true to our operating belief of creating everlasting memories, this is what will happen. Most important for us are the kids. Once the kids are taken care of, the parents will obviously enjoy and have a good time. So we have a specially crafted menu for the children. Young patrons, we have a specially designed and fun menu for them. It caters to the most discerning of palates. Children are difficult to please. They're the most difficult to please because they have their own particular requirements. And our chef has taken real care to make sure there is an amazing menu for the children. It takes care of the taste bar. It takes care of the nutritional needs. So not just taste, it takes care of the nutritional needs as well. Children are encouraged to be independent and take interactive approach to selecting what they want to have. And also we have a small library of books that is available for the children and some games while they dine. Banquets, as a hotel, we are big on banquets. We are a perfect getaway destination for weddings. 3 hours from Bombay, 2 hours from Surat. What else can you ask for? You don't have to worry about booking flight tickets. You don't have to worry about arranging buses for everybody. Everybody can drive in on their own and at their own convenience. So you go down on the cost of hosting a large event. So corporate events, weddings, everything is just 3 hours drive. So we have 4 smaller venues and 1 large venue: Spades, Heart, Clubs, and Diamonds. These are our 4 smaller venues that's on the ground floor. Dimensions, Spades is 2,432 square feet, Hearts at 3,018 square feet, Club at 1,811 square feet, and Diamond at 924 square feet. There is also, it's mentioned here, in what style of seating, how many we can take. And the beauty of this is that Spades, Hearts, and Club, the 3 banquet halls, can be clubbed to make 1 larger hall as well. So that you can have breakaway sessions in these rooms. You can have private sessions in these rooms. You can have join all together and have a large session. The biggest banquet hall that we have, that's Grandise, that's on 1 floor above. So Grandise is at 8,319 square feet. You can have a banquet sit-down event for 450 people, a reception for 900 people, theater seating for 550 people, classroom session for 325 people, and there are multiple permutation and combinations that can be done for large gatherings. In fact, every year we host a large event from Ryan School. We host that beautiful event from the schools, and we have more than 800 children who stay with us during that time. That's an amazing experience on its own. I'll see if I can share a video with you for the Ryan School event. That's 800 children staying under 1 roof for 1 month. So 800 children check in, they stay with us for 3 days. 3 दिन बाद वो लोग जाते हैं, एक दूसरा बैच 800 बच्चों का आता है. And we arrange from breakfast to lunch, high tea, dinner. और उनके लिए उस टाइम पे 3 दिन जब वो लोग रहेंगे, उनके लिए अलग अलग तरह के इवेंट के ऑप्शंस, उन लोग के लिए एक्सटेम्पोज, डिबेट्स, outdoor sessions. So it is a perfect space for school children to have 800. And when school children 800 can stay in the hotel, then we can easily accommodate adults of about 500, 600 people in the hotel. So that is for the schools. We host banquet events for corporates. So it's a perfect weekend getaway for corporate events, for dealer events, for product launches. We are an excellent space for them because they get everything that they want. They get under one roof. You know, from large halls to smaller halls to private breakaway sessions, and also the charm of being in a beautiful city by the beach. Weddings, our belief on a wedding is that you finalize the venue with us, and then we take care of everything with your event planner. So the bride and the groom and the parents, they often get lost in arranging the whole wedding and don't really enjoy. So what we have is a dedicated team which takes care of every aspect of your wedding. So no matter what you're doing, it will all be taken care of by our hosts. हमारे होस्ट आपके इवेंट प्लानर अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप अपना इवेंट प्लानर ला सकते हैं, उनके साथ काम करेंगे. अगर आपको अपना इवेंट प्लानर नहीं लाना है, द होटल कैन डू एन एंड टू एंड वेडिंग विद यू. पूरा इवेंट इतना सीमलेसली जाता है बिकॉज देयर इज अ डेडिकेटेड टीम. आपको F&B टीम से अलग, रिसेप्शन टीम से अलग, सबसे अलग अलग बात नहीं करना है. देयर विल बी अ डेडिकेटेड टीम फॉर यू जो वेन्यू बुक करने से लेके, आपने अगर 6 महीने पहले वेन्यू बुक किया है शादी के लिए, तब से लेके जब तक आपका इवेंट खत्म नहीं हो जाता, हमारी वो एक डेडिकेटेड टीम आपके साथ ही रहेगी जो आपके सारे इवेंट को सीमलेसली देखेगी. एंड द ब्यूटी एंड द रीजन वी डिड दिस इज we wanted the family, the parents, the chachas, mamas and everybody who otherwise get lost in just arranging the wedding, we wanted them to enjoy the wedding. It's a lifetime event है. एक बार अगर wedding आपने enjoy नहीं किया तो पूरा इतना खर्चा करके, इतना बड़ा wedding करके क्या फायदा. So it's the whole idea is whether it is with your event team or it is with you directly, our event team will take the end-to-end requirement through. These are some of the setups that can be done in the hotel. Top left corner is the Grandize. That is our largest banquet hall. उसके अंदर ऐसे अलग अलग तरह के सेटअप कर सकते हैं. इसी banquet hall के बाहर में there is a 5,000 square feet terrace also. So that is not included in this 8,000. So generally 8,000 square feet का banquet hall में लोग function करते हैं और 5,000 square feet का जो बाहर Grandize है उसमें dinner और breakaway session, bar वो सब बाहर लग सकता है. So all in all you have about 13,000 square feet of space which can take n number of people. So this is the beauty. We also have a poolside venue. So poolside पे भी अगर आपको event करना है, we can do that also. We've recently built a large garden. A lot of our patrons said that हमें garden space भी चाहिए. So we've recently built up a 14,000 square feet garden, an outdoor garden. So now we have that option also. So for evening functions, या even during the good weather of December, January, अगर आपको दिन का मेहंदी का फंक्शन और वो बाहर करना है तो वो भी कर सकते हैं हम, ये सारे फंक्शंस. एंड यू नो सुरेश जी, रमेश जी, एवरीबडी इज बीन पार्टनरिंग विद अस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आपको कोई भी अगर वेडिंग का भी आपको बुक करना है तो आप उनके थ्रू, वेडिंग्स, कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स, FIT बुकिंग्स, वो सब आप उनके थ्रू हमारे पास कर सकते हैं. दे विल पास ऑन द लीड टू अस एंड दे नो अस वेरी वेल. They are our extended family and they can take care of all our needs, all your needs for us. Some of the facilities at the hotel: Den, that is our recreational zone that has indoor games, billiards, table tennis, foosball, PlayStations. The PlayStations are really fun for children and for adults also. We have multiple games, latest FIFA games and F1 car race and all other sort of games we have. For the PlayStations, chess, table tennis. We even have instructors for table tennis and billiards if you would like to avail those sessions. So that will be fun during the day. We have one of the largest swimming pools in West India. It has an amazing capacity. This swimming pool. It's not too deep. It is shallow. The maximum depth as per 5-star guidelines is 5 feet. So you can, and as you would have seen initially, हमारे वीडियो में जो pool जो है, it is in a shape of a flowing river. So it gives you that beautiful feel that you are in a river, a flowing river. there are a lot of evening games that are arranged by the poolside. So every evening there is either a live singer, there is a DJ, or there are tambola games. There is housey, there's treasure hunt. Evenings are fun at the poolside. It is. I showed you the menu that we have: food, games, entertainment. Perfect getaway. You cannot ask for more. We have a business center for all our people who are traveling on for business purposes and staying in Daman. Creche is our exclusive area for children, for people up to children up to 5 to 6 to 7 years can be in creche while the family enjoys a time at the pool or enjoys a drink. We have amazing caretakers at the creche who will keep your children entertained with loads of indoor games. There are drawing sessions, painting sessions. There are different games that are arranged for them continuously at the creche. So they are completely entertained. And for those who don't want any screen time, के बच्चे वहाँ पे बैठ के PlayStation या movie नहीं देखें, because a lot of places क्या होता है कि movie चला दिया बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं. Some people don't want that कि भाई मेरा बच्चा दिन भर वहाँ पे बैठ के TV देखेगा. So that is why we have these very creative games and these art sessions and very constructive, there's a school में बोलते हैं SUPW classes. Those classes we have for the children, the clay molding and a lot of creative things that children can learn there. We have a beauty salon. Obviously, when you're on a vacation in your busy city schedule, you may not find time a beauty salon जाने को. So you have an amazing beauty salon which you can pre-book and take all beauty sessions there. So this is the pool that I was talking about on the bottom left corner. That pool is in the flowing flowing river shape. On the bottom right is the gym. We have a completely fully equipped gym with fitness instructors who can customize the fitness routine for you and also give you a dietary chart for the wellness. Spa, a very important aspect in today's world. So we have Ayurveda treatments, Swedish treatments, aromatherapies. We have couple treatment rooms and a Thai massage room. So these take care of to help you completely relax and have a wonderful time and get refreshed and recharged, rejuvenated for the week ahead after your weekend getaway. The spa is located at the lobby level. The reputation of the wellness spa has been built on the belief that healing power of each treatment is not simply due to the technology or high-tech equipment. It is also deeply influenced by the delivery of positive energy. A lot of spas get suck you into हमारे पास ये technology है and all. Spa is an age-old tradition. It's an age-old tradition, especially in India and elsewhere in Asia. Spa is never considered a high technology thing. Spa is always supposed to be a high energy zone. So that is what our spa is all about. It's high energy. It gives you that positive energy to take on the world after the stressing week that you've had. Thank you. So that was a quick brief about the hotel. And Rishabh, if there is anything that you want to add on, we can do that.
So we'll just put up a few questions for the participants now.
Sure. And we'll also, after that, I'll quickly take everybody through the post-COVID measures that we've taken to make sure that the hotel is perfectly hygienic and also very well geared to make sure that all our guests and patrons have a very safe stay with us.
Okay, I'll just ask them a few questions. Then we can go on to the COVID part, and then we can do the bidding. So okay. The first question for today will be on your screens right now. How many rooms does the hotel have?
When I'm speaking, I want this 354 number to participant.
So 83% of the people have given the answer as 176. Akashi, is 176 the correct answer? You're muted, sir. I think you're muted. Yeah. 176 is the right answer. The second question will be on your screens right now. How many swimming pools does the hotel have? This might be a tough one.
Lily.
Akashi, can you see the results on your screen?
Yes,
So can you give us the correct answer? So
it's 2 swimming pools. Sorry, three swimming pools. Including the private swimming pool for the presidential suites, it is 3 swimming pools.
okay, so the correct answer is 3 swimming pools. They have, the hotel has.
I'll just clarify. We have one large swimming pool. That is the photo of the pool that I showed you. There is a swimming pool for the presidential suite and those 3 presidential suites. We have private swimming pool for that. And we have a swimming pool that is exclusively for children.
Okay.
That is a swimming pool that's reserved only for children. It's a very shallow pool, mostly like a plunge pool that every child can enjoy.
Great. So the third question for everyone. What is the name of the lounge at the hotel? So the correct answer, 85% of the people have given the answer as whiskey. So, and whiskey is the correct answer. The fourth question on your screens. What is the lawn size at the Delton Daman? The newly done lawn size. The 52% people have given the answer as 14,000 square feet, and that is the correct answer. 14,000 square feet is the size. The last question for today. How many banquets in total does the hotel have? So 49% of the people are given the answer as 5, and the correct answer is 5. Akashi, if you can move on to your COVID PPT, please.
Sure. So this is in today's day and age. This is the most important aspect, and everybody is worried about the safety measures that every hotel is taking. And we've taken help of some of the leading medical associations and some of the leading groups that are into chemical providing and all of those to help us draw out a plan that is absolutely foolproof to the extent that is available in the public domain now, the knowledge that is available in the public domain now. So we've taken those measures very, very strictly so that, our employees are safe, the guests who are staying with us are safe, the vendors who are dealing with us are safe, and most importantly, our travel partners are safe, because you come and visit us to check the hotel, you send your guests, and it is your reputation online. So we take care of your reputation, that everybody who's associated with us in any form or fashion has a very safe experience. So a quick brief: as we traverse this worldwide crisis, our thoughts are with the individual communities and countries impacted by this unprecedented event. While the severity of the crisis varies from location to location and hotel to hotel, we are fully committed to serving our guests while implementing the increased cleanliness and disinfectant measures, heightening our already vigorous hygiene and prevention measures to ensure the highest cleanliness and sanitary conditions with enhanced disinfection products in place to stop the spread of the viruses. We applaud the efforts of the medical communities and those providing us with the essential services. The sacrifice and commitment is immeasurable. We at the Delton are leaving no stone unturned to ensure all our guests, team members, vendors, and those associated with us in any manner are protected and taken care of. We are strictly adhering to all the directives and protocols issued by the government and the most competent medical authorities that are available to us.
Akarshi, sorry, Akarshi, you've not made it into full screen. It's not going ahead.
I'm on full screen.
No, I think it's not been able to go on to the full screen.
Which
Can you
slide
stop?
am I on?
It's still the first slide. I can see all the slides on the left hand side, and it's not gone into a full screen itself. So I think what you do is there's an option of enable editing on the top. You have to click that and then do it.
Enable editing.
It's a top yellow row.
I'll stop and reshare. I think that.
Yeah, try doing that. So yeah, can you see enable editing at the top now?
Yes.
Just click on that and then try going into full screen. Yeah, try now. Yeah, perfect.
Yep.
Yeah.
So security and safety measures post reopening. In the order to prevent and control further infection, the hotel we've been identifying include control room where a person entering the hotel is kept and complete training on infection control measures are done. A well-informed and trained security guard at the entrance. So when you're coming into the hotel, our standards don't start when you've entered, when you've reached the lobby. Our measures start right from the main gate of the hotel. So from the main gate of the hotel, there'll be a security personnel in a PPE kit and with the face masks and the added security safety measures who will take everybody's temperature when they're entering the hotel. And only after once it is sure that the person is safe from there, will they be allowed to come to the lobby. Arrival and departure protocols. All guests arriving into the hotel are scanned through a thermal camera that when they're coming into the hotel. Now, this is very important. All guests, we've said that all guests who are coming to the hotel will have to pre-register. You know, that saves time when you're checking in at the hotel. आप होटल आके फिर आप फॉर्म फिल करेंगे, रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे, तो उसमें बहुत टाइम चला जाता है और आजकल लोगों को पास खड़ा नहीं होना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से सबको दूर खड़ा होना है, तो we've said that we'll make everything very quick. So a day before you are coming in, we will send a pre-registration form to you. You fill up that pre-registration form, send it back to us. So when you come in, there is only a digital signature which is required, not even a physical signature. It's a digital signature. हम वो digital signature लेंगे and you're good to go. So check-in time is greatly reduced. It's probably less than a minute. You come in from the security main gate. We will be informed by the security that Mr. Sharma, Mr. Verma, whoever is coming in, we will keep your pre-registration formalities ready. You come into the hotel and immediately you're taken to the room with the pre-registration done. All guest luggage also will be disinfected. So it's not only the person coming in or the car coming in, even the luggage that is coming in will be completely disinfected. There will be a sanitization tunnel through which everything will be taken through. Like I mentioned, digital signatures for everybody. Now the new normal is, unfortunately, you may not be able to see the smiling faces now in today's world. But smiling faces are covered with the mask that everybody on the registration counter will be wearing. But you can be assured, मुंह पे smile नहीं दिखेगा, but the hospitality will be as warm, and you can feel that smile through the gestures and through the warm hospitality that you will receive. One thing, no posting to be activated for initial 45 days, and no posting means that every payment, that anything that you consume, there are very technologically advanced steps that we've taken. So all payments will be done at the time of taking a booking. Now this is to reduce the time of the cash deposits and all of that. So whenever you consume a service, there is the cashless transaction options. Whenever you consume a service in the restaurant, you can digitally pay at that time only. Welcome drink to be offered in use and throw glasses. There is no repeating of glasses, so you can be 100% sure that the glass that you are having is completely sanitized. And digital payment mode is encouraged, so all your payments will be through digital modes when you check in. These digital modes are Paytm. We've even got a EDC machine, जो credit card की machine है, वो भी हमारे पास अभी QR code activated machine हो गई है, तो आपका जो भी payment है, वो आप QR कोड के थ्रू अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड से पे कर सकते हैं. And that is the same way we'll refund the money also back to you if there is any money to be refunded back. That's all completely digital transactions. अगर किसी वजह से आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड आपको हमें देना भी पड़ा, so there is a UV tray. उस UV ट्रे में आप अपना कार्ड रखेंगे, उस UV ट्रे से हम अपना आपका कार्ड लेंगे, स्वाइप करेंगे, वापस उस UV ट्रे में रखेंगे ताकि वो वापस डिसइंफेक्ट हो जाए और फिर आपका कार्ड आप वहाँ से वापस उठा सकते हैं. Food and beverage, now that's a that is one area where touch cannot be avoided. Food and beverage has to be touched. So we've taken extreme precautions to make sure, one, the hygiene. All our food and beverage handlers, they will undergo periodic checks to make sure that they are healthy. They will also be wearing masks and gloves during pickup and service that is to be done. All staff are highly trained on the personal hygiene effects. IRD specifically, the gloves and masks are part of the uniform. Hand wash protocols, what we have is, apart from telling everybody कि हर 15-20 मिनट में आधे घंटे में hygiene करते रहो, we also have a very interesting aspect back of the house where there is a surprise buzzer. Now anybody at any passing time can press that buzzer and immediately everybody will go and sanitize and wash their hands again. So अगर कोई 15 मिनट में आधे घंटे में sanitize करना भूल भी गया है, तो जैसे ही at random buzzer बजेगा, तो सबको जाके फिर से अपने hand sanitize करने पड़ेंगे. So that is a excellent way to ensure that all hands are sanitized at all times. Food trays are completely sanitized. Phones and surfaces where food is laid out is completely disinfected. All guests arriving in the restaurant will be screened. Now, I'll not read through this entirely. I'll explain to you mostly. So, आपका dining experience कैसा रहेगा कि आप जैसे ही रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे होंगे, पहले तो रेस्टोरेंट में जो हमारे नॉन रेजिडेंट गेस्ट हैं जो होटल में नहीं रह रहे हैं, they are all told to make advance reservation. You can go on our website and make a reservation for the restaurant if you're not staying in the hotel. If you're staying in the hotel, you can always call and book a table for yourself at the restaurant so that you don't have to wait. Even when there is a large buffet, you don't have to wait. आप रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जैसे ही आते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर आपका टेम्परेचर चेक किया जाएगा एंड एक QR कोड लगा है वहाँ रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर. अब वो QR कोड अपने मोबाइल से स्कैन करेंगे तो आपके मोबाइल पे फौरन पूरा मेन्यू आ जाएगा रेस्टोरेंट का. वो दिस इज टू एंश्योर दैट देयर इज नो टच ऑन द मेन्यूज कंप्लीटली डिजिटल हैं. कोई मेन्यू किसी को 1-to-1 टच नहीं करना है. आप मेन्यू QR कोड के थ्रू आपके मोबाइल पे आएगा, आप अपने मोबाइल से फूड आइटम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड दैट विल गेट पास्ड ऑन टू द रेस्टोरेंट स्टाफ एंड दे विल पास इट ऑन टू द किचन. Again, online payments, all guest tables and chairs are completely disinfected with the 1 meter distance that is prescribed. All cutlery, crockery and all are completely sanitized. So this is the same, this is just in detail. आप में से किसी को भी चाहिए तो हम ये presentation आपके साथ share कर सकते हैं for your reference. Public area and unfortunately our swimming pool till about next 2 months is closed. We will, because of hygiene reasons, use of swimming pool is not allowed. Gym will be allowed once we open, but it is with pre-appointment only. And gym will be operational for 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. Even the gaming zones and creche is by appointment only now. So room cleaning will be done by the housekeeping staff wearing complete PPE kit, using electromagnetic machines that will help in spraying the disinfectant across the room. Each room, before they are given out for at least the next 30 days, एक गेस्ट चेकआउट हुआ उसके 72 आवर्स बाद ही वो रूम दोबारा किसी और को दिया जाएगा. एंड एवरीथिंग इन द रूम इज कंप्लीटली सैनिटाइज्ड. So there are separate persons who are assigned to carry the lawn. जिसने लिनन रूम से निकाला है और जिसने लिनन रूम में वापस ला रहा है आपके नया लिनन, वो 2 अलग जने होंगे, so that there is no chance of any cross contamination. This is for our employees. All employees while coming into the hotel are thermal scanned. There is no biometric attendance. It is facial recognition that we've introduced. There is no pens for them to sign in. All employee to sanitize before entering the hotel, and everybody will wear gloves and masks throughout. Thank you. I've gone through it in brief. Mostly आपने और जगह सुने होंगे procedures. Our procedures are more or less same. They are just a little more better implemented and a little more technology that is used. So we leave the house open to everybody, Rishabh. They can ask questions, and I'll love to answer the question that everybody has.
Yes, sir. Just before moving on to the question answer, sir, we have the bidding that we do since the last 2 days.
That is amazing. That's a very exciting feature, bidding, online bidding.
It just keeps the people a little more engaged than normally. So, as we have mentioned the rules before this also, I will be just mentioning the rules again for today's bidding. The rules will be as below. Rule number 1, of course, we are bidding for 2 nights at Delton, Daman, which will include your base category room with breakfast and taxes. The validity of this would be up till 31st March 2020. And the bidding will start at 1,000 rupees, and the increment of the bidding has to be again done in hundreds. So it should be 100, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. If somebody is already saying 2,000 when we have started from 1,000, we are not going to accept that bid. The rack rate for this approximately for 2 nights with breakfast is around 14,000 rupees. The room will be given to you on double occupancy, and again you have to post all your bids into the chat box. It is transferable, and at the end of the timer, the highest bidder will be the winner, and he will have to pay us to take that 2 nights that he has bid for. I'm sorry if I said 31st March 2020. It's not 2020, obviously. 31st March 2021. It will be valid till 31st March 2021. So I'm going to just make the option as so. Okay, so now everybody will be able to put their bids in the chat. I will start the timer. Just give me 1 second. So if everyone can see that the timer on their screens, we will start the timer in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,100, 22, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500, 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000, 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, 3,800, 3,900, 4,000, 4,100, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 4,700, 4,800, 4,900, 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, 5,300, 5,400, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 6,000, 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 400, 6,500, 6,600, 67, 68, 69. Last 10 seconds, everybody. 7,000, 7,100, 200, 300, 400, 500. The winner is the winner as per our. Just give us a second. There have been a lot of bids at 7,400 before we stopped.
8,000 is the highest bid.
No, sir, I think it stopped at 7,500. I'm just seeing if
8,000, Rishabh. 8,000 is the highest bid.
No, it can't go till 8,000, sir, because before it stopped, it has to stop at 75.
Okay.
So the winner is Mr. Kaushik Jain at he has bid 7,500 just after somebody quoted 7,400. So congratulations, Kaushik Jain. If you can just put down your number in the chat box, we will call you back, and you can claim this prize with 7,500. So congratulations once again. Moving on to the question answer round. Just give me a second. Yeah, you'll be able to put in your number now. So we have a few questions from all the participants here today, and if we can just move on to the Q&A round now. The first question that everybody is asking, I think at least 10 of the agents have asked over here, is when is your casino starting?
So that's a tricky question. We have everything, all facilities and everything ready for the casino to launch. We are in talks with the government, and we were expecting it to happen very soon before the COVID pandemic hit us. But the brighter side of it is, that probably after all this is over, we can have a casino very soon, because government is also looking at ways to add revenue to the state, employment opportunities that a casino brings, and obviously with the new Atmanirbhar India, why go to Macau when you can have casinos in India?
Correct.
So we hope that we will be able to start very soon. I can't give a date very soon, but it is in line to happen very soon, I think.
So the next question by Mr. Hussain Lokhandwala is, he's asking, are outside drinks and food allowed to be consumed in the room?
So, initially we were allowing food to be bought in through reputed places like Domino's and all. If somebody really wants to have, they could have ordered, but they would have to come down and collect. But now with the Corona concern, we are not allowing any outside food, because then there's that additional food delivery person who's coming into the hotel, changing hands, food changing hands, and going into the room. So for some time, we are not allowing any outside food to be brought into the hotel.
Okay. And Mr. Kenneth Barreto is asking, he wants to know the cost of your Sunday brunch.
Sunday brunch would be starting at 1,100 rupees.
Okay. And next question would be,
I think, Rishabh, one question that I see a lot of people have asked is the starting date of the hotel.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you that.
Restarting. So there are two aspects to it. As in, when we are starting to receive guests at the hotel, that could be as soon as probably Monday that we'll start receiving guests, because Daman is a green zone, and it's also an industrial town. Apart from being a nice tourist destination, it's an industrial town. There are about 600 factories in Daman. A lot of factory owners live in Vapi, which is right next to us. So industries जैसे खोल रहे हैं, उन लोगों को हम एक बार दमन में लेके आ रहे हैं, and they have to stay in Daman. So for those people, our hotel is open. They can book a room in the hotel. They will check in into the. They will have to give us a list. We present that list to the Daman administration, to the collector in particular. Collector वो list approve करते हैं. उसके बाद उनका staff जो है वो hotel में आता है. उनका एक कोरोना टेस्ट होता है. जब तक उनका कोरोना टेस्ट का रिजल्ट आता है 24 hours में, they stay in the hotel. After 24 hours, they are allowed to go and work in their factory, but for minimum 15 days, they continue staying in the hotel. So that part of the hotel is operational most probably from Monday. We have already got a request for about 100 rooms that we are starting, and anybody else in your friends and family group who wants to stay in Daman can book that room. That's at a very nominal price that's capped by the government. So right now we are helping the industries grow and helping them to open up. Post that, I think from around 10th to 15th of June, the more normalcy will return, and more people are expected to come into the hotel, and we start getting requests. In fact, it's a surprise that a lot of people from other cities are asking for a long stay option. So I'm sure as travel partners through Classic and through all other people, there is a lot of requests that we can get for long stays. People want to get away from their city with their family, or even want to have a temporary work from home thing while staying in the safety and comfort of a hotel. Because कई जगह आपको बॉम्बे में कंसर्न है कि वेजिटेबल्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, domestic help is not allowed to come in, and you want just to get away from all of that. So we are getting a lot of requests. जो लोग बोल रहे हैं हमें 20 दिन के लिए 25 दिन के लिए we want to just stay in the hotel as a long stay guest. So that option will also be open from most probably 10th or 15th of June. A confirmed date I'll share with you very soon.
Yeah, so in fact, even I myself have been getting queries from a lot of clients asking for the hotels in Daman and Silvassa. The only issue that they are facing, at least from Bombay, is that the issue of getting a permission to go in their car all the way from here till Daman.
Right.
I think that should be, hopefully
that should get solved. I think probably in a week's time that will get solved.
Yeah, hopefully, yes. So another question by Mr. Paresh Mehta, he's asking, what about, you said that you'll be taking digital payments, but if somebody is checking out of the hotel and he is paying only cash to clear your bills, will you accept that or not?
Sorry, say that again. I didn't hear you.
So if somebody is checking out of the hotel and he has some bills to be paid, but he will only pay by cash, will that be accepted or not?
See, as far as possible, we want to avoid that. That is also the government directive, and that is a government initiative also to go cashless as far as possible and move to digital modes. So digital mode may we have Paytm, we have PayPal, we have even through your credit card you can do a digital payment. That's also considered digital. So as far as possible for your own safety, we would advise everybody to go digital. See, risk is two ways. आप हमें cash दे रहे हो और हम भी आपको वापस cash दे रहे हैं. Risk is two ways. We want to mitigate that risk as far as possible. So 99% of the time we'll prefer a cashless transaction. But where it is unavoidable, then obviously we will make an exception as and when needed.
Yes. Jatin Doshi is asking, what if somebody is checking into the hotel and it is found that his temperature is not normal, it is higher than what is accepted? Will he be, I think the point of his question that he's asking, number one, of course, he will not be given check-in. But if he's not given check-in, will you give him the opportunity to come back later, or will that be charged as a retention?
So, like I mentioned, our security or safety procedure is twofold. एक बार जब आप अंदर आते हैं तो मेन गेट पे ही आपका टेम्परेचर चेक होता है. ऐसा कई बार होता है. अभी भी आप लोग अगर बाहर जाएंगे, वी हैव आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस समटाइम कोई जना धूप में आया गर्मी से, तो इट इज़ नॉट कि उसको बुखार ही है, बट वैसे ही थोड़ा गर्म हो जाता है तो टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा आता है. सो इफ दैट इज़ द केस, वी फर्स्ट टेक देम इन at our main gate only. We have a very comfortable air conditioned cabin. तो वो वहाँ से आके वहाँ पे 10 मिनट बैठ सकते हैं, 15 मिनट बैठ सकते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दैट टेक्स केयर ऑफ इट. कि आपका हो सकता है इनिशियल सिर्फ इट्स अ फॉल्स अलार्म, बट वी गिव दैट चांस. अगर उसके बाद भी टेम्परेचर कंटिन्यूसली ज़्यादा आता है, वी रिकमेंड देम टू go and see our in-house doctor. If the doctor feels that there is a concern, then obviously we follow the due government procedures, and in such case it is not your fault. We are happy to make a provision for you that you can come back at a later date.
That's amazing, sir. That's actually that's very nice to hear that he will be getting an opportunity to come back and his money won't be wasted.
Yeah.
So another question from starting date. Everybody's asking for the starting date. The facilities that you showed in the presentation, are those on an additional charge or are they included for the in-house guests?
So we are a completely transparent hotel. We don't believe in any hidden charges. What you pay is what you pay. After that, all facilities in the hotel are free of charge. There are no hidden charges. ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, अभी इसका इतना, उसका उतना. It sort of just turns off your mood when you're in the hotel के हर चीज के लिए सोचना पड़े. That is not the case. Once you've made a booking, whatever is included at the time of booking is completely included. बाकी जो मैंने आपको facilities दिखाई, जैसे crash है, swimming pool है, games room है, all of that is included in the stay. There is no additional charge for it. Obviously, spa and salon is at a charge. Spa and salon का additional charge. बाकी जो facilities है, of swimming pool and game zone and all of that, and crash, that is included. There is no additional charge for it.
Okay. So coming to this question that a lot of people have asked, in fact, this was also my question for you. Coming to knowing that Delton Daman is an amazing destination for weddings, and there are a lot of weddings that you guys take care of every year. How will it now be with the crowd that comes in for a wedding? I mean, how are you going to take care of the crowd that comes in?
So, Rishabh, it is very interesting. We are getting so many inquiries for November and December and October. Unfortunately, all events have been postponed.
Yes.
But India में wedding is always a special occasion. पर 20-30 जनों में घर में शादी किया तो मजा नहीं आता है. It has to be a family event. It has to be with friends and families and enjoy. We are very, very hopeful and positive that that this situation would be normal by November and December. But still, as a precaution, जैसे मैंने बोला कि every guest will be pre-checked in. So even if it is 350-400 guests who are attending a wedding, everyone will be pre-checked in. There will be a self-disclaimer taken from everybody about the travel history. So we keep a record of everybody coming in. There will be thermal screening throughout the hotel for everybody who's coming in. There is और प्री चेक इन हुआ हुआ है तो जैसे पहले लाइन लगती थी 20-40 लोग एक साथ आए चेक इन हो रहे हैं अभी प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन है तो उसमें भी बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. We have large banquet spaces that can easily take people with social distancing. एक सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न होता है बुफे काउंटर. बुफे काउंटर पे लोग बार बार हाथ लगाते हैं सब चीज़ों का तो बुफे काउंटर से बहुत चांसेस है फैलने का. So all our menu for these events is only going to be live cooking. There is no buffet counter कि आपको लेना है तो उससे कुछ फैल सकता है. It's going to be completely live cooking. So you don't have to touch and there is no concern of any virus spreading through repeated touch of a same tong or same serving spoon. So our people will be serving everybody and in fact most of the dinners are now going to be sit down dinners, I think.
Okay. So another question asked by a lot of agents here. In fact, I think this must be a concern with most of them. They're asking that a lot of times the hotel rates on OTAs, that's MMT and the others, are much lesser than what our contracted rates are. Are you planning to do something that does not happen in the near future, that agents are protected?
Rishabh, you are one of our best travel partners. Huh? You always have the best deal. And Classic will continue to have amazing deals with us. Now, I understand that concern and sometimes, it is out of our hand also what these OTAs do. So what we are doing now is we are going to have different packages. जो OTA के पास package है वो अलग है and travel agents will have a different package with a lot of value add-ons. So those value add-ons will help avoid that gap. जो travel agent जो OTA कई बार अपनी जेब से discount करते हैं and you and I both have to bear the cost of it. वो अभी हम बंद हो जाएगा क्योंकि all our packages to travel agents are going to be very different with a lot more value add-ons than what is available on OTA. So आप अपने customer को value add-ons इतने बता सकते हैं और इतना different package होगा कि वो comparison ही नहीं है कि OTA के पास क्या है और आपके पास क्या है. Travel agents will have a very, very, very good value proposition. I can say that.
Thank you, sir. So Shweta Chaudhary is asking, are outside wedding planners and event planners are allowed in the property? Adding to that question, I also have another question regarding the same thing. So number one, are outside wedding planners, can they be called for a wedding? And number two, if there is a guest who wants to get his own team of chefs, is that possible for a wedding?
Yep. So like I mentioned, that we have a very capable in-house team to help you through do your wedding. But we want you to deal with the team that you're comfortable with. हमारा अगर आप अपना event planner लाना चाहते हैं, you're welcome to bring your own event planner. Our team will work with your event planner. Decorators जो है वो limited हैं. Decorators 4 decorators हमारे panel पे हैं. It is one of those 4 decorators that has to be taken. But event planners can be anybody, whatever the guest is comfortable with. The event planners, any event planner is welcome to work with us. They just have to abide by our safety guidelines. And any wedding planner can come into the hotel and work with us. As far as outside food is allowed, till now we were allowing outside food as an add-on to the food that we were serving. So our buffet counter and our food will remain there. उसके अलावा अगर आपको अपना caterer लेके आना है for some special items that your regular caterer does, आप उसको ला सकते थे. Going forward, कोरोना के बाद कितना हम बाहर के फूड वालों को अलाउ कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ अ one-on-one डिस्कशन जो हम इवेंट प्लानर और गेस्ट के साथ करेंगे कि उनको कितना भरोसा है अपनी टीम के लोगों के पास के जो इवेंट प्लानर्स बाहर से आ रहे हैं, वो जो बाहर के नॉट इवेंट प्लानर्स आई मीन जो बाहर के फूड लेके आ रहे हैं, अपने होस्ट को कितना भरोसा है उन लोगों पे कि वो लोग, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है जो कि बाहर के केटरर्स दे हायर कैजुअल स्टाफ, दे हायर अ लॉट मेनी अदर पीपल एंड in terms of backtracking कि कौन किधर से आया था, that becomes a little difficult. So in the post-corona world, I think we'll have to be a little stringent on that, but again, that's a discussion, one-on-one discussion जो हम event planners और guest के साथ कर सकते हैं, and we can take a conscious call on that.
Right. And sir, another question by Mr. Darshan Gandhi. Do you have a separate kitchen for vegetarians, or is it the same kitchen that is being used for both?
So again, two aspects to it. अगर हम restaurant के लिए बात करें, तो restaurant के लिए it is the same kitchen, but that kitchen has two divisions. यहाँ पे veg और non-veg बनता है. तो restaurant के लिए it is a common kitchen. अगर आप wedding book करते हैं, then we have a banquet kitchen and we have a restaurant kitchen. Restaurant kitchen will continue to work normal as it is, but the banquet kitchen will be completely before your event, completely sanitized, washed, cleaned, and then that kitchen will be used. And during that time, there will be no non-veg that will come into that kitchen. But if you're saying that, do I have a kitchen जहाँ पे आज तक कभी भी non-veg नहीं बना है, वो unfortunately नहीं है हमारे पास. But before your event, if it is a completely vegetarian event, before your event, the banquet kitchen will be completely cleaned, sanitized, and cleaned as per your hygiene. And during that time, उस time वहाँ पे कुछ non-veg नहीं बनेगा.
Okay. And another question by Mr. Puneet Jain. He's asking, what is the hotel's perspective on the tariffs after this COVID era? Are you planning to increase your tariff, or will it be lesser, or will you be coming out with some special promo packages like a lot of hotels have already come out with?
So, very, very frankly, I don't believe reducing the cost or package rate is an option right now. That's my personal belief. It is not an option right now because there is so much of extra equipment, so much of expensive cleaning chemicals, so much of additional manpower that will be needed to deliver such high quality standards that a reduced rate may not be a very economical option. And any hotel that is reducing the rate per se, drastically reducing the rate, you may want to check their integrity in terms of what quality standards they are following, because most of the hotel brands, Marriott and Taj and everybody said that we will want to maintain the same rate so that we don't get into a further depression. Hotels are badly affected, as is the travel business is badly affected. So it is in your interest and our interest both, since the rates are mostly commission based. If I am selling a rate at 10,000, a hotel room at 10,000 and your commission is X% of that, और मैं रेट को रिड्यूस करके 5,000 कर देता हूँ, तो आपका भी तो कमीशन कम हो जाता है. So why take a hit on both sides? Let's say that we are delivering the best quality services, we are delivering the best hygienic services, और वो services come at a cost. Obviously, the rate will not increase, but we'll try and maintain the same rate that was there before the COVID era. कुछ हो सकता है starting के 1-2 हफ्ते there is some promotional package, but by and large, I don't feel it is feasible for anybody, whether on the travel side or the hotel side, to have a discounted rate for a long run.
Great. So I think that brings us to an end of all the questions. Just one more reminder to everybody. Tomorrow we have the ITC Grand Bharat and ITC Grand Goa Resort coming in for our webinar. The links have been shared just now again by Siddharth. So please register on those links. We will be again, obviously, giving out complimentary nights tomorrow also for the contest. And we will also be continuing with our live bidding tomorrow for either of the two ITC properties. So, Uncle ji, Ramesh, Uncle just wants to talk to you for a few minutes. Uncle.
How are you? So good to see you.
माधव जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर.
बहुत अच्छा आपने सब ये डिटेल बताया अपनी होटल के लिए. वेरी नाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. और थैंक्स टू ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
थैंक यू रमेश जी. मैं जैसे स्टार्टिंग में ऋषभ को बता रहा था, एक्सेलेंट इनिशिएटिव. आपने ये इतना बढ़िया प्रोग्राम बनाया है ट्रैवल कम्युनिटी और होटल्स को कनेक्ट करने के लिए. वेरी वेल डन सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी.
थैंक यू माधव साहब. बहुत जल्दी ही मिलेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर. विल सी यू.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.
Thank you. Just a parting note, hospitality and hotel business is one of the oldest professions in the world. बहुत टाइम से अतिथि देवो भव हमारे लिए बहुत पुरानी कहावत है. Hotel business through times and different challenges, world wars and everything has come out of it. In different forms, new measures, new initiatives, but hotel business hospitality business has always survived. So I am confident that we all will come out of this troubled times, and this will be an excellent initiative, and there will be a lot of changes, but we are a very, very resilient business, and I'm sure everybody, the travel community and the hotel community will be thriving again very soon. All the best to everybody, and please reach out to me through Classic Holidays. आपको Classic Holidays, like I've always said, there are travel partners, there are family. आपको जो भी बुकिंग की लीड्स चाहिए, इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, उनके पास हमेशा हमारे बेस्ट ऑफर्स रहते हैं. आप उनसे ले सकते हैं या होटल से कर सकते हैं, जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. You can do that. And thank you once again, Rishabh. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, everybody, for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for taking time out and giving a lovely presentation on your hotel. So that's the end of the webinar for today, everybody. I will see you tomorrow again at 11 o'clock with the ITC hotels. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.